Everybody, let me talk in this video about menu. In Android, sometimes we need to add a menu here on the top on our activities. When we talk about activity, we said every activity have a layout and there is a specific Java file manage this layout. That's great and we understand this part. However, what if you want to add a menu? So first of all, to add menu, you have to go to resource file and click right and add a new Android resource directory and look for folder, name it menu. Then click add to add the folder. Inside the menu, add your menu. So how you add your menu, you click right and say new resource file and here give it any name. Let me say main menu, give it any name, everything in small and without any specific character. So if you open the menu, you will see there's just specific file have a menu. You could add a menu item on it. If I go to the Google page for menu developer, this one. So here he talks something about the menu and he talk here how you work with menu. Every item in the menu you will define it in this way. So let me take one item and add it in my menu just to make life easy for me. I have this item. They name it of home, a new game. Let me name it home. Then I give it specific image. So to give specific image, I have to add my image in drawable. So I will go here. I have number of images here. I will copy them. I will add them in the drawable. I will add them. To access to any image here in drawable, I have to access them in this way. First, I add at. Then the folder name is drawable. Then the name of the image. I want to access to home. So okay, home will be displayed for this item. Then what's the title I want to use it? Let me give it the title home. Some devices, if you don't have icon or if you don't want to use icon, you could use only title. So you could take this line, just title without icon. If you want this icon, you could this icon. That's great. This last part, that means show action. So do I want to display the menu when I have space here? I would say if there's room, if there is any space, display the menu. If there is no space, don't display it. But if you see there is a problem, I need to add another XML. I just having here XML is app using, I give it this URL because this app will be used or this URL will be used for show as action. So now okay, I have one menu item. I could add more, just copy paste. So the second one will be add. I will give it icon for add. I have it in the drawable. I give it add also as a text. Also the third one will be setting. Okay, if you see things as name, as image I give it a setting, as name here I give it setting. So all of them if there is room. Now I have 3 menu item. Now I want to in my application run this menu will display. How is it? If I go to Google here, see they said okay, if you want the menu display for you have to add this code. Okay, I will take this code. I will go to my code. I will add it instead of this one, just in main activity. I will add it here. If you see, also I'm overwriting method name it menu. I just make sure adding this one imported. Also this one we need to import an inflator, so just let me remove the R, then it's selected to update it. Then here I give it the menu. What's the name of my menu? It's main menu. That's okay. This method will be fired automatically because we overriding this method. This means this method already available in this class. So when onCreate execute, then already on menu create will execute. Then it's fire up and display this menu for us. Fire run, and to show you what I'm doing, you will see menu item on the top. Here you go. If you see, I have this 3 menu item. I have home, setting, add, home. Some devices will not see this icon. You will see the name only. That's great. Now I want to click on any of these items. I will have some event execute. There is already a method. We need to override it. If I go to the menu website also, this is the method. So I just take this code. I will go back to my editor. I will add this line. Then also menu, I just remove last item, then click enter to add it for. That's great. I want when someone click on the main, so let me see on the home. So okay, I will say okay, if the ID select is the home, let me display something for you. Let me say to us dot make text. For example, I pass this, then I say home. Someone click home, then I say to us dot long or short. Then I did click show. That's great. This someone want to click home. Let me do another part for the menu. I have two missing, other add and I have sitting. So if someone click on add, if you see it, add as this way, let me display this method, add. So let me add another one. I don't have to this one, but I will add this one by add then sitting. I think the last one will be sitting. If someone click sitting, tell me sitting is clicked. So when you want any code executed, when someone click home, write it down here. When I click add it here. When I click sitting here. If you have more, add them. See how I could access to switch to any menu item selected. So whenever anyone select any menu item, it's coming here. Then I have the ID for that item. Then I compare that ID with my ID I have. If I have this ID, that's home. If I have this ID, add, because already I give them IDs here. Let me click on and see how it's going and making sure from everything is going well. Yes, here we go. I click home, see sitting because I click sitting. If I click add, he will say add. If I go back and click on home, he will say home. Here we go, and you understand how to add menu item and how you could access to them. I will add the URL for the test tutorial under this video. Thank you for watching.